Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. A modern kitchen is no longer defined by sharp lines, cold finishes, or a completely minimal look. The most beautiful spaces now bring together clean design, natural materials, practical storage, and a sense of warmth that makes the kitchen feel like a true part of the home. The latest kitchen design ideas focus on creating spaces that look refined while still being comfortable and easy to live with. Warm wood tones soften contemporary cabinetry, natural stone adds character, and carefully planned storage keeps everyday clutter out of sight. At the same time, thoughtful lighting, integrated appliances, and flexible layouts make the kitchen more functional without compromising its style. The key is balance. Instead of following every trend at once, the strongest kitchen renovations combine timeless materials with a few distinctive details that give the space personality. From sophisticated neutral colors and sculptural islands to hidden storage and layered lighting, these ideas can transform an ordinary kitchen into a space that feels modern, welcoming, and beautifully considered. One of the easiest ways to make a modern kitchen feel warmer and more inviting is to bring in natural wood. Instead of relying entirely on painted cabinetry, consider introducing oak, walnut, or another warm wood finish to create depth and character. Wood can be used across the entire kitchen for a cohesive look, but it can also work beautifully as an accent. A wood kitchen island, a section of lower cabinets, or a tall pantry wall can create a natural focal point without overwhelming the room. The combination of wood with stone countertops, textured walls, or subtle metal accents creates a balanced look that feels both contemporary and timeless. Even in a minimalist kitchen, these organic materials prevent the space from feeling too cold or overly perfect. The goal is not to make the kitchen look rustic. Instead, natural textures can soften clean modern lines and create a more comfortable atmosphere while keeping the overall design sophisticated and refined. Color plays a major role in changing the atmosphere of a kitchen, and warmer neutrals are becoming a beautiful alternative to stark white and cool gray. Shades such as creamy white, taupe, mushroom, beige, and soft grayish can make the entire space feel calmer and more welcoming. These colors work especially well with natural wood and stone because they create a soft, layered palette rather than a flat, monochromatic look. For a little more personality, muted greens, earthy tones, or deeper accent colors can be introduced through an island, a cabinet section, or a feature wall. The key is to keep the larger elements balanced. Cabinetry and countertops can remain relatively timeless, while stronger colors can be added through smaller details that are easier to change later. A well-chosen palette does more than make a kitchen look stylish. It helps connect the cabinetry, flooring, lighting, countertops, and surrounding living spaces into one cohesive design, creating a kitchen that feels sophisticated without becoming overly formal. A clean, uncluttered kitchen does not necessarily mean having less. It often means finding smarter ways to keep everyday items organized and out of sight. Integrated refrigerators and dishwashers can disappear behind matching cabinet fronts, creating a smooth, continuous look. Appliance garages can also keep coffee machines, toasters, and other frequently used appliances accessible without taking over the countertop. Tall cabinetry can turn an entire wall into a streamlined storage zone, hiding pantry items and larger appliances behind simple doors. This works especially well in open-plan homes, where the kitchen remains visible from the living area. The goal is not minimalism for its own sake. It is about making the kitchen easier to live with. Thoughtful storage keeps surfaces clear, makes the room feel more spacious, and creates a modern look that feels calm and refined. Natural stone can instantly give a modern kitchen more character and visual depth. Materials such as marble, quartzite, and travertine bring organic patterns and subtle variation that make even simple cabinetry feel more distinctive. One especially effective approach is extending the countertop material all the way up the wall as a full-height backsplash. Instead of breaking the space into smaller sections, a continuous slab creates a clean, seamless background and gives the kitchen a more luxurious architectural feel. The island can become another opportunity to introduce character. Softened edges, waterfall sides, or a beautifully veined stone surface can turn a practical work area into the room's main focal point. Because natural stone can be visually strong, it works best when paired with simpler cabinetry and restrained finishes. The result is a kitchen that feels sophisticated and expressive without becoming overwhelming. Lighting can completely change the way a kitchen looks and feels, yet it is often treated as an afterthought. A modern kitchen works best when several types of lighting are combined to create both functionality and atmosphere. Start with general ceiling lighting to provide even illumination throughout the room, then add under cabinet lighting to brighten countertops and preparation areas. Over the island, decorative pendants can become an architectural feature while providing focused light where it is needed most. Subtle lighting inside cabinets, beneath shelves, or along other architectural details can add another layer without making the space feel overly bright. Warm-toned lighting also works beautifully with wood, stone, and neutral colors, bringing out their natural character. The result is a kitchen that feels inviting during everyday use and more refined when the main ceiling lights are turned down. A beautiful kitchen can still feel frustrating if the layout does not match the way the space is used. Modern design focuses on creating clear zones for cooking, preparation, cleaning, storage, and everyday activities. A well-designed island can provide extra workspace, casual seating, and a natural gathering point. Deep drawers, tall cabinets, pantry storage, and dedicated appliance areas can keep frequently used items organized and easy to reach. In larger kitchens, separate zones allow several people to use the space comfortably. In smaller kitchens, vertical storage and multifunctional surfaces can achieve the same goal. The best layout is not necessarily the largest one. It is the one that makes everyday tasks easier while keeping the kitchen open, organized, and comfortable. Modern kitchens are becoming less about matching every element perfectly and more about creating a space with personality. Furniture-style cabinetry, distinctive hardware, open shelving, and carefully chosen decorative pieces can make the kitchen feel more connected to the rest of the home. Mixing materials is another simple way to add character. A painted cabinet can sit alongside natural wood, while stone countertops are balanced with metal accents or textured finishes. The combination feels more layered and natural than a completely coordinated design. When space allows, a comfortable banquette, a small dining area, or even a freestanding piece of furniture can make the kitchen feel more lived in. Artwork, plants, and a few meaningful accessories can add the final personal touches. The goal is a kitchen that feels designed, but not overly staged. Clean modern lines provide the foundation, while personal details make the space feel truly at home. Bringing all these elements together is what creates a truly successful modern kitchen. Warm wood can soften the space, natural stone can add character, and seamless cabinetry can keep the room looking clean and organized. Layered lighting brings the design to life, while a thoughtful layout ensures that everything works comfortably in everyday use. From there, personalized details such as hardware, artwork, plants, or distinctive furniture can give the kitchen its own identity. The key is balance. Instead of using every trend at once, choose a few elements that work naturally together. A timeless foundation combined with thoughtful modern details can create a kitchen that feels current, practical, and welcoming for years to come. The modern kitchen is all about finding the right balance between beauty, comfort, and everyday functionality. Clean lines still matter, but they feel even better when combined with warm materials, natural textures, thoughtful storage, and personal details. Whether it is a simple update or a complete renovation, the best design begins with how the kitchen will actually be used. With the right combination of timeless materials, smart functionality, and individual character, a kitchen can feel welcoming, refined, and truly personal. Which of these modern kitchen ideas would you love to bring into your own home? Share your favorite in the comments, and if you enjoyed these ideas, subscribe to HD Interiors for more modern kitchen designs, home decorating inspiration, and interior design trends.